Helo pawb, Emma Jane dwi. And this is Oliver. Creating your own movements and joining them together is so much fun. Defnyddio gwahanol symudiadau fel troi, neidio, ystymiau, teithio a llonydd. Turning, jumping, gestures, travelling and stillness, you can make your own sequences and even dances to your favourite music. I ddechrau, mae'n bwysig iawn I cynhesu y fyny. Warming your body up before exercising is really important. Copy Oliver. Troi, turning. Mae gwahanol ffordd I troi. Using your arms changes how you turn. Neidio a throi. Troi I law. Troi I fyny. Changing levels. Rolling on the floor. Defnyddio llaw. Be am droi yn rhan y cor, fel troed, penglin, elbows, and others, turning just parts of your body instead of your whole body. Have a go at your own ways of turning now. You can press pause whilst you have a go. Neidio sy'n nesa. Jumping is next. Cofiwch glanio ar y traed a plygu pengliniau. You must always land on your feet and bend your knees when jumping. Fedrwch chi feddwl am wahanol ffyrdd I neidio. Can you think of any more ways of jumping? Press pause and have a go. Teithio, travelling. Symud o un le I le newydd, travelling from one space to another using different movements. Rolling and running. Teithio ar y traed a dwylo. Be am drio? Llonydd. Stillness. I aros yn llonydd, triwch dim symud o gwbl. Slowing down and finding interesting shapes to hold changes the energy and adds variety to what you are doing. It's a bit like pressing pause. Ymestyn trwy'r corff yn helpu chi I gadw'n llonydd. Stretching helps to balance and therefore you can stay still much better. Faint o siapiau llonydd fedrwch chi gwneud? Press pause and have a go at making still shapes. Ystymiau, gestures. Ni fedrwch chi ddefnyddio dwylo I greu ystymiau. Gestures can convey an idea or a meaning, but also can simply be just a small movement with a part of the body. See what gestures you can make. Gwneud dilyniant, making sequences. Cysylltu gyda'n gilydd y gwahanol symudiadau o droi, neidio, teithio, llonydd ac ystymiau. The order that you link these 5 items in doesn't matter, and this makes the possibilities endless. Cofiwch I ddewis eich symudiadau yn cyntaf, cysylltu gyda'i gilydd ac ymarfer. Instead of choosing your own order, why not leave it to chance? Picking out of a pot or rolling a dice are just some fun ways to decide. Once you have made your sequence and remembered it, you can make it more interesting by thinking about the levels that you do your movements on, the speed at which you do them, and if your movements are sharp or flowing, which we call these dynamics. Rwan, dach chi'n barod I chroed eich symudiadau at ei gilydd. Have lots of fun creating your movements and linking them together. Choosing which music to use is another fun part as well. Hwyl fawr gan Oliver. Bye from me, a diolch yn fawr iawn.